Hi, I'm Shefali Murray. I work with Musafir.com as the head international holidays and products. I have been with them for the last year and it's been a wonderful journey. The holiday is a dream, so I help people make that dream into a reality by creating, designing holidays that they really want to, that they always have dreamed of going on. So that's what I do here. Traveling is something I've always loved to do. Fortunately for me, the role that I am in Musafir currently allows me to travel a lot. It allows me to interact with wonderful people from the industry, from outside the industry, within the company. It's really been a great experience working at Musafir this last year. What is really great about Musafir is that it has a equal opportunity option. So you get exposed to multiple kind of profiles. You get to learn so much while even as you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. And that I think is great from a professional as well as personal perspective. People here are young, there's so much of zest, you can feel the energy the moment you enter office every day morning. And I think that's the second thing I really love about Musafir. As a brand, we want to be one of the biggest, key OTA in the holiday business. Our motto or our goal is to inspire people to travel. And as the head of international holiday products, I think I'm just right there because the entire I'm the one who's supporting me with my team creating and designing the holidays, which is eventually what is going to take us to our larger goal. If you're really passionate about travel, not just love travel, if you love meeting people, networking with people, if you love to talk about your experiences in travel, this is the place to be in, because at Musafir you will get the opportunity to do that. You'll be able to use all your expertise and really help sell destinations or sell holiday travel to people as an expert, and that is the reason why I think you need to be at Musafir. I love meeting a lot of new people, and I'm therefore at the right place, and I'm doing the right thing, being in the place that I am, and that's I think what makes me super. So come join Musafir and stay super.